thought she'd film me.
Guys, behind you! Ten boards! Behind you!
Two minutes remaining.
Watch your man, guys! Watch your man!
Two-minute penalty to number 8, Yup Eugene, for roughing. 1 minute 5 seconds on the clock.
Come on, guys!
Forty seconds remaining on the clock. 86, assist by number 99, tying it up 3-3. There is 35 seconds on the clock.
Mark your back, guys. Mark your men.
Leading Stephen Tan. Hi, Mr. Stephen Tan. Would you please come to the scorekeeping counter, Stephen Tan.
And the game is tied at 3-3 for Taiwan Hurricanes and Underdogs competitive. We will resume the game into a sudden death overtime. 5 minutes on the clock will be put. The first team to score will immediately qualify for the finals. 5-minute period, sudden death overtime. If there is no winner after 5 minutes, we will